Melancholy set into the room, and there was a level of soberness and depression, even about some of the battles that had been lost. And he asked the question, he said, "Are you prepared for this next step of the battle? Because I do fear that some of us will not survive this next phase of the journey." And someone piped up and declared that I'm prepared because I refuse to live in a place of comfortable slavery. I choose radical freedom. The second idea is that if we're going to answer such a call, it necessitates that we even check our ego and our self-gratification at the door. That I'm not doing this for my own status, I'm not doing this for my own gratification. But like Faulkner said, I want to plant trees by which I may not get the opportunity to sit under. Now that makes me think about the first time that I attempted to try to organize a demonstration. I was 11 years old, and I organized a group of fifth graders. And we marched up a hill, and we had our soccer ball confiscated from Miss Sexton. She took our soccer ball, and so in my ego, I thought, how great will it be if I lead this campaign of brothers and they all begin to celebrate me. So I led this army of fifth graders up a hill, all chanting in unison, "We want the soccer ball! We want the soccer ball! We want the soccer ball!" She blew the whistle and said, "Recess is over." And as we began to move back to the classroom, all of my fans turned on me. They began to talk about how big of a jerk I was and how they wish they would have never followed me. And so I declare that as we stand in this room today, that we stand demanding some things, but not out of vain ego, not out of self-gratification. But today we declare we want the soccer ball. Today, our soccer ball is access to a livable wage. Today, our access is the disavowing of a war economy and militarism. Our soccer ball, it is the denouncement of racism. Our soccer ball is to look at those that have been marginalized and those that have been denied justice and mercy. And we do declare in unison and solidarity, we want the soccer ball.